Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making one pot cheesy chicken broccoli rice. For our ingredients, we have olive oil, chicken breast cut into small bite-sized pieces, salt, pepper, rice, chicken broth, a bag of frozen steamable broccoli, and 2 cups of shredded cheddar cheese. In a pan, you want to add your olive oil, then your chicken, your salt, your pepper, and any other seasons that you would like to add. As you can see here, I added a couple of different seasonings. You want to cook your chicken until it is not pink in the middle or to your liking. I cook mine a little bit longer just to have a little color on the outside. Then if you have any liquid, you want to drain the liquid and the oil from your chicken. Now you want to add your chicken broth and then your rice. You want to bring it to a boil. Once it is boiling, you want to cover it with a lid and reduce the heat to medium-low. You want to simmer for about 15 minutes or until your rice has cooked. While the rice and chicken is simmering, you want to cook your broccoli. Then you can cut it up into small pieces if you would like to. Once the rice is done cooking, add your broccoli and 1 cup of cheese into the skillet. Then you can add the remaining cheese on the top. And then you could cover with the lid and let it cook for about 2 more minutes or until the cheese has melted. Then it's ready to serve. We have made one pot cheesy chicken, broccoli, and rice. Thank you for watching Baby We Eat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.